If you want to see how we got here, stick around. It's gonna be a wild ride. Well, just before we left, I went to shut the garage door and the chain fell off. So we're off to a great start.
This is typical right before we leave, you know, kind of stuff.
Yep.
But let's have it happen now, not later.
So let's get that fixed and get rolling. Oh.
Sheared? What?
Garr.
What happened?
Oh, no. It broke.
Oh yeah, it's sheared.
The sprocket clean off.
So you might think this is like a ninja throwing star that looks really cool, but if you look closely, it's wore down to next to nothing, and that's the main drive for the garage door opener. So this will not be fixed before we go.
And we're off. Like a herd of turtles.
Little view from Joe's cockpit here. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, back to gravel.
Give her, bud. I think someone got a little stuck. Whoops.
This thing is that it kills itself a lot. I don't know what's going on.
Uh-huh.
It's not me.
Uh-huh.
A lot of people knows this bridge was built in 1432 by horses.
That's not a fact.
Yeah. Regardless, built by an animal. You can tell because it's missing some. They weren't very good masons. You see all them turkeys? Dang, come! Let's see what else we can find. Now it does not get much better than this right here. Oh, sorry, killed it. It's hard to shift with no clutch. Minimum maintenance road right there. You excited? Let's check it out. I'm gonna have to find a place to mount you guys because I cannot ride in this with one hand.
Oh yeah! Minimum maintenance, muddy roads, slippery.
Even though it's raining, it's not a big deal when you're all dressed for it, but it's still super cool. Like, I don't know, there's just something about cruising around on these back roads. Man, that never gets old.
This one doesn't even show up for me. Looks cool though.
Let's check it out.
It's a forest road.
Can you check this out a little bit?
It's pretty slippery here.
I can turn around always if we have to. I hear you loud and clear. Over.
Yeah, Joe, where you at? I got some idiot down here by the boat launch. Yeah, where are you?
I'm down by the boat launch. I don't see nobody. Over.
He's wearing a yellow jacket and he's riding an Africa Twin.
I took my Africa Twin down here, but I don't see anybody else with one.
This is the Crow River.
Crow Wing River.
That's what I said.
Yep.
Pretty neat. I'm excited to get our campsite all set up and get a fire going, cook a can of chili. So that's always good.
Ooh, and we got dinner.
What
We
did
got
you
dinner surprise too.
What?
Campfire dinner.
What is it?
I wouldn't be surprised if I told you.
Well, I just told you it was chili. For me, I got chili.
Mine is a surprise.
Yours is a surprise. All right. Apparently it's a surprise. Check it out.
Wow! This is slippery. Oh my gosh.
Okay. That's a slippery little girl.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, got her. Careful, that ass end's still slipping around.
No, 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 no.
Right here.
As you can see, we have our campsite all set up. I also found where everybody poops because I was looking for sticks to build a fire. And there's poop everywhere up there. There's like a half porta potty, did I tell you that? There's like a half porta potty and there's just, it's like full of poop. And then like all around it is just like piles of poop.
Be a shame if your gear ended up in there tonight.
I could. So let's follow Nathan and see what we got crack-a-lacking over here.
Oh, well, it's gonna be a fire pretty soon here.
We're gonna let that cook down a little bit, then we're gonna put our cans of chili on. And what did you have? Beef stew?
It was a surprise.
Or something like that. And we'll get back to you when we're cooking food. Step one to an awesome camping dinner. You get some Doritos. You get a can of chili. You put the can of chili on the Doritos.
And burn your hands.
And burn the heck out of your hand. What are you eating?
Green beans.
That's the healthy option. Is that your favorite camping meal?
I don't know. I just went with it, and I'm actually quite pleased with my choice.
We had our dinner.
Dinner was good.
Tents are all set up.
Had a good fire.
Awesome day.
In the books. Joe. Joe,
What?
there's a squirrel outside.
And?
I don't know. Good morning. We are all packed up. Joe's just snacking on his little breakfast wrap there he's got going on.
Bring bacon.
Bring bacon. That's right. Yeah, you want to show the camera your bacon? That's good bacon. Okay. The bike's loaded up. All in all, it was a pretty okay night. I don't think it got too cold.
No.
No, it was good. Packed just right. So, bike's loaded up. We'll get rolling here in a minute.
How was your tube tent?
My tube tent was very tube-ish. It was ultra tight in there. Trying to change or do anything was kind of rough. So, yeah.
You can have that thing.
Sweet, I got a free tent out of it. Let's get rolling.
Hit the road, man. Let's do it.
That's a fun little race through first thing in the morning.
Yeah, that was cool.
Found another minimum maintenance road, and it is a little rocky and muddy. We found another road. That one was awesome. Let's try this one out. Like they don't want us going through. So this is the issue we run into here. Somebody has taken upon themselves to put fence posts up. And I don't know if you can see very well, but the road goes through. Post it again. Yeah, there's a post. Let's post it.
Post?
Post.
That's why it's called posted.
That's one big dock. Let's check it out.
Come on, let's go.
I'm not running.
Is this a pier?
Yep.
I thought piers were just on the ocean, but it is a pier.
They appear out of nowhere.
Here. Yeesh. Oh, look. Weeds. Gross. Oh, look. More weeds. Water's pretty clear.
Yeah. Stop, I'm looking for fish. I hope you trip falling. Walking backwards and fall backwards.
No.
Here on Lost Hour, we like to get creative with our camera mounts. Isn't that right, Joe?
We'll do anything to get that perfect shot. You're welcome. We are on a minimum maintenance road now, and it kind of turned into some mud, so put the camera on top and we're gonna try it out. What's it like back there?
It goes through.
made it. Hey. Hey. We never left the ground. You turkey. Well, as you can see, our road trip. And how many miles was that? It wasn't even that many miles.
It was 260.4.
260 miles. Not super long, but it was all on gravel, so it just kind of takes it out of you. And wearing all the gear and everything, and camping on and not sleeping well, and
Yep.
but
It's all a part of the experience.
and worth it.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next adventure. That's my friend.